After a photographing session that made us feel like a Hollywood premiere, we got off at about 3 o'clock in the morning. We felt that it was our lucky day, and we knew it was. And everything went with perfection.
The world will note that the first atomic bomb was dropped on Hiroshima, a military base. Hiroshima, a military base. A military base. A military base. That was because we wished in the first attack to avoid, insofar as possible, the killing of civilians. We have used it in order to shorten the agony of war, in order to save the lives of thousands and thousands of young Americans.
It's always used for good and never for evil.
We get into the atomic bomb as if we're in a race with Germany. And then when Germany came out of the war, when the war ended, when the Germans surrendered, what is the response of the scientists? We better hurry up and finish the bomb before the war ends. Otherwise, we won't get a chance to use it.
That the United States is trying to create a situation in which it can get away with a strike on Iran. Pull it off. Now, of course, Russia and China aren't going along with it. We have the neoconservative ideology that is implanted in the United States government. And this is an ideology of world hegemony, that is to dominate the world. Iran is the last remaining independent country in the Middle East.